Viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable developer option on Xiaomi device. Let's get started. At first, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Tap on additional settings. Again, scroll down. See, there is no developer options. Now go back. Tap on About Phone. Now tap 7 times on MIUI version. You are now a developer option. Again, go to additional settings. Now scroll down. See, developer option is enabled now. By this process, you can easily get a developer option on Xiaomi phone. Thanks for watching.